Hi everyone, great to see you all in this week's podcast. I have a quick question for you. If there were a button that could freeze your youth at age 18 forever, will you press it? Sounds like science fiction, right? But out there, one man is making it a reality. That's Bryan Johnson, an American tech millionaire. Every year, he splashes out $2 million. Yes, you heard that right, about 50 billion VND, just for a single goal, turning his 45-year-old body back to the state of an 18-year-old. From taking 100 supplements a day to measuring every single heartbeat, Bryan is undergoing an unprecedented body overhaul. Or more simply, just scroll through TikTok and you surely see ageless beauties or U60 athletes who look like they're in their 20s. This makes us pause and wonder, why is it that at the same age, some people look old and exhausted, while others are so full of life, appearing decades younger? Is aging a destiny that we must accept? Or is it actually a disease that modern medicine can cure? Today, let's step into the lab of the future to decode a fascinating biomedical perspective, reversing the biological clock. To understand age reversal, we must need to know how old we actually are. Sounds a bit strange, isn't it? In biomedicine, we clearly distinguish between two types of age. First is chronological age, the number on your birth certificate, the number of birthdays you celebrated. But the more important figure is biological age. This reflects the wear and tear of the cells inside your body. You might be 17, but if you stay up late gaming and eat poorly, your cells might already be hitting the 25-year mark. So, what happens under the microscope as we age? Scientists have a spooky term for it: zombie cells or senescent cells. Normally, cells divide and then die in a beautiful cycle. But as we age or face harmful impacts, some cells become half dead, half alive. They stop dividing, but they refuse to die. They just sit there like the walking dead, and worse, they start spreading negativity by secreting inflammatory substances. Imagine it's like a rotten apple in a basket of fresh ones. If you don't remove that rotten apple, it spoils the whole bunch. These zombie cells are the root cause of terrifying diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, or heart disease. So, how do we clear out these zombies and reset our body's machinery? The answer lies in some mind-blowing biomedical evidence I'm about to review. Alright, so we know about the rotten apples. Now, the million-dollar question: can we turn back time and make those old cells young again? The answer is maybe. And leading this race is Professor David Sinclair from Harvard University. Imagine your body has a precision timer called a telomere. It sits at the ends of your chromosomes, like the plastic tip at the end of shoelaces, to keep them from fraying. Every time your cells divide, these tips get a little shorter. While they disappear completely, the cells retires or turn into a zombie. But Professor Sinclair's 2023 experiment changed everything. He pulled off a game changer on old blind mice by using a special gene cocktail called Yamanaka factors. Think of this as software upgrade for cells. He helps the mice's optic nerve cells regenerate. The result was insane. These old blind mice that used to just lay there were able to see again after a few weeks and ran on their wheels just as vigorously as the young mice. Why does this matter to us? Because scientists discovered that our DNA doesn't lose information. As we age, it just gets dusty. Using substances like NMN or resveratrol found in purple grape skin is like greasing a rusty machine, helping to activate longevity genes called sirtuins so they can start the work of cleaning and repairing DNA. To put it simply, if your body is an old computer that's running slow and crashing, modern biomedicine is finding a way to hit system restore. We aren't buying a new machine, but just restoring the system to its smoothest state. At this point, you're probably excited about a world without disease and frailty. But as young science students, we need to look at both sides of the coin. First, a reality check. Currently, as keywords like NMN or cell rejuvenation become hot trends, the supplement market is becoming extremely chaotic. Many pills are advertised as miracle drugs, but haven't been fully tested on humans. Mouse bodies and human bodies are two completely different worlds. Tampering with your genetic machinery before science has fully mastered is like trying to fix the code of a supercomputer when you only know the basic commands. The consequences would be glitches, which in medicine would mean uncontrolled growth of cancer cells. And then there's a bigger question: social ethics. If age reversal technology becomes feasible but remains extremely expensive, are we creating a world where youth and lifespan only for the ultra rich? That is a tough puzzle of equality that our generation will have to solve. So, where is the future heading? Scientists don't want us to be a model. The real goal of biomedicine is to extend health span, our healthy years. Imagine living to 90 but still being able to play football with your grandkids, with a sharp brain ready to learn a new language. That is the true meaning of winning against time. A final word for you, dear friends. No matter how far science advanced, the most effective and cheapest anti-aging drug is already in our hands. It's a deep sleep for your cells to heal. It's hours of movement to activate your longevity genes. And it's a mindset that stays curious about the world. Don't wait until you're old to try to be young again. Protect your biological age starting today. Thank you for spending 10 valuable minutes journeying into the future of biomedicine with me. I'm Thành. Don't forget to hit follow as you don't miss other fascinating mysteries around the human body. Goodbye and see you in the next podcast episode.